a while, but I always show up at some point. I'm gonna make a marinated salad for you today, a vegetable salad, and it's got a few canned goods, and you want to be sure that you drain all these when you're using them. And it's gonna have some fresh stuff in it too, like green onions, bell pepper, chopped celery, and pimento. But first, before we get into this, I'm going to make the dressing that goes onto it. And so we're going to have to bring all of this to a boil, and I'll show you what we're going to do in just a minute. I'm going to make this dressing, and I'm just going to put this kind of on a medium heat. And we're going to combine apple cider vinegar, that's 1 cup of this, and then 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Just a tablespoon of water, and then we are going to put a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, and I've just combined all of this, and then a cup of sugar. All right, we're going to bring this to a boil. We'll just stir it occasionally, bring it to a boil, and then we'll let that cool before we combine it with the veggies. Okay, we're going to put this all together now. I've got my dressing cooled down. You probably have to let it cool down for about an hour and give it a stir before you put it on the veggies. And I have drained my French cut green beans, my super sweet yellow white corn, LeSueur peas, and dark red kidney beans. I mean, this is beautiful color. You always hear me talk about how I love color in food. Well, this is art in a bowl. So now we're going to put in the bell pepper, finely chopped, and finely chopped green onion. And this was probably about 4 green onions. And this chopped celery, and about 2 ounces of chopped pimento. And boy, this really gives it that pretty color. And we are going to mix all of this together. Look at that. That is so pretty. I mean, you just can't ask for a more colorful dish than this. But it not only looks good, but it tastes good. And now we're going to put this dressing in there, give it one more stir. And we're going to let this sit in the refrigerator overnight. So this is something good that you can make ahead of time, and you should let it sit so all these flavors can really marinate together. The veggies. You've already got your seasoning in that dressing. So cover this and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. And you might want to stir it a few times while it's sitting in the refrigerator, just to keep all that, mingled together. So this is going to be for Easter tomorrow. We're going to have a family get together, and this is just an added side that I thought maybe you'd like to try. So give it a try. It's really good. We'll have a taste test probably tomorrow. And have a blessed Easter.
Well, Jenny.
Just finished making some banana pudding.
Oh, I get to eat some of that.
Yeah, I got your
tonight.
Side dish.
Oh, that's
here.
my side.
Mm-hmm.
She won't let me touch this, folks, until tomorrow after we have our family over for lunch. Okay,
Right.
What is for lunch tomorrow?
Well, we're going to have ham and fried chicken, brown rice, macaroni and cheese, collard greens, deviled eggs, butter beans, and rolls.
Whoa.
Pretty
food. I'm going to take a little quick tour of it while it's all
Okay,
fresh.
We're going to be on YouTube today?
No, I'm just...
I have a dog. She's a female. And he smells
Yeah, he
her.
smells us
yeah.
too.
Yeah, he smells her.
Deborah Diggs.
Yeah.
She the little girl.
I'll send it to Terry.
You wanna go ahead and ask the blessing?
I'm sure she's got her
Ooh, look at that. 32 pieces of chicken from Rogers Barbecue. We took the shortcut, the easy way out on that one, but it's the best chicken in Florence. Got fatback fried in
One
the
for you?
fat with.
No, go away.
Dadgummit. That's just like 'em.
Here, you can have this one.
Ooh,
It's a little
little nugget egg. Okay. She better not turn her back.